Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to calculate product weight into sell order screen. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Sell Product Weight. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, go to products, go to anyone like a desk pad, go to inventory tab and see here this weight. I want to set 10 kg. Let's save. Now go to orders, go to anyone, and select here desk pad. So you can easily see here auto come based on this product. I did set 10 kg, so also display here 10 and also displaying below. Thank you.